the layer is unlocked and it's not a background layer. So let's press delete. And that's not exactly what I wanted to happen. I wanted the background to disappear. So I'm going to undo this, and I'm going to right click and press select inverse. And now what was the active region switches from what it was. So instead of this being the active region, I'm just doing this for the sake of example. Instead of this becoming the active region, now this becomes the active region. So let me just right click, press select inverse, and now when I hit delete, the active region is this. So this deletes. I'm going to deselect by going to select, deselect, go to my move tool, and move it into the layer move it into the image that I want to move it into. Hit Control T to change its size. I can't see the corners, so I'm going to hit Control 0 just to see everything. Move it here, move it up right there. Hit Control 0 again to see everything. And let's actually move this in front. So there we go. And in fact, I am going to decrease it in size even a little bit further. And let's put it behind this hill, because why not? That seems like something someone might do. And we'll use the same techniques that we were using before. So I'm going to turn it off, and I am just going to select around this hill with the lasso tool. The lasso tool is kind of my blunt instrument when I don't feel like taking out a very specialized equipment. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to make sure I'm on the right layer. I'm going to press Control C to copy, and then I'm going to go to Edit, Paste Special, Paste in Place. Put the statue back on, move it back here, and now we have it so it's going behind this hill. I went pretty fast right there. I suggest you rewind and try to make sense of what just happened right there, because it was combining a lot of the lessons that we've used so far. Now, I could try and make this fit better into the image with color correction, but we're going to skip that for right now. Let's go back here. And let me do one more thing with this image. I'll do the same thing that I did to the previous one because, hey, why not? We just spent all of that time selecting. I might as well get something somewhat useful out of it. So let's move this down here. Let's move this up here. Let's actually increase the size of this sunset with Control T. Just going to move that right here. And again, we'll be doing color correction in a little bit, but for now, I'll just move it to that. Whoop-de-doo. We were able to change this image from looking like this to looking like this.